Hi, Angela Dillman here with your market moment here at the Dillman Group at Keller Realty Chesterfield. Okay, 5 simple things to improve your home's value. Simple and inexpensive to do to improve your home's value. Common question we get all the time, and here they are. Number 1, everybody knows about curb appeal. So curb appeal is big, all right? That's huge. The mulching, the trimming of the bushes, color pops. You can get any flowers in there at all. And here's a new thing, dark accents. Dark accents on your gutters and fascia and your trim to offset the color of your siding. Big deal. And the color of your front door. Okay, that is just paint, but it's a big deal. All right, curb appeal. 2, paint. Paint all the more modern colors that keep your rooms light and bright and don't make them feel dark and small, okay? All right. 3, lighting. Oh my gosh, you could take a home that's 50 years old and make it feel like it's less than 10 years old with lighting, okay? Your hall lights, your ceiling fans, your kitchen lights, your sconces, your bathroom lights. Lighting makes a house feel younger. Okay, 4, appliances. All right, so you probably got a stove. I know, it still works. And you're just like, hey, it's not broken, I don't want to fix it. But you're probably gonna end up replacing it anyway to sell it, so you may as well go ahead and do it, right? Stainless steel appliances, still very popular. If you're remodeling, then double ovens, microwaves in the islands. Create an island. Create an island in your kitchen if you can. A lot of money in your kitchens and baths. People love the islands. Okay, 5, handles on your cabinets. Who knew, right? Handles on your cabinets, whether it's your bath and whether it's your kitchen, will make it feel younger. You can move to more expensive items after this, but these are the 5 inexpensive ways to increase your home's value. Have any other questions? Give us a call, send us some pictures. We'll help you if you're thinking about making some upgrades. 314-277-7713. We'll talk to you soon.